welcome back to Oatmilk Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this vibrant citrus slice. It's cheerful, customizable, and a lot of fun to make. This is an advanced beginner kind of pattern that is worked in the round. You can find the written instructions on my blog so you can follow along. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm making an orange slice, so I'll be using Hobbii Friends Cotton 8/6 in orange and oat milk. I'll also be using a 3.25mm hook, stitch marker, embroidery needle, scissors, and stuffing. Round 1. Starting with oat milk yarn for the pith of the fruit, create a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochets into the loop. Before finishing the last stitch, switch to your citrus color, which in my case is orange, since I'm making an orange slice. Pull the loop tight to close. This is the center of your citrus slice, so keep the stitches snug. To make sure my yarn ends don't get loose, I like to tie a couple of knots. Round 2. Work an increase in each stitch around, bringing your total to 16 stitches. Because I'll be switching back to the off-white yarn in later rounds, I want to make sure I carry the yarn throughout. I do this by bringing it over my working orange yarn and then continuing on with my stitches. This way, the second color will be in place when I need it. Round 3. For this round, single crochet in the first stitch, then increase in the next. Repeat that pattern all the way around. By the end of the round, you should have 24 stitches. Use a stitch marker if you're worried about losing your place. Round 4, increase in the next stitch, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and repeat that 6 times for a total of 30 stitches. And you'll notice that I started this round with an increase instead of a single crochet like I did in the previous round, and I'm doing this on purpose because this is going to make a more smoothed out circle instead of a hexagon. Round 5, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and increase in the next stitch, and I'm going to repeat that 6 times for a total of 36 stitches at the end of the round. At the end of round 5, I'm going to switch to oat milk. Round 6, single crochet in the next 5 stitches and increase in the next stitch, and repeat that 6 times for a total of 42 stitches. You'll notice as I've changed the yarn color, I've made a slip stitch, and this is a technique I'm trying out so the color changes are a bit more seamless. The tutorial I followed is Little John's Yarn Jogless Color Change tutorial, and I will leave a link to that in the description in case you want to try it out. At the end of the round, I'm going to switch back to orange. Round 7, single crochet in each stitch around. Round 8, for this round, I'm going to crochet in the back loop only. This creates a bit of an edge that separates the outer rind from the rest of the slice. For rounds 9 to 11, working in both loops again, single crochet in each stitch around. You can work more rounds if you like to make a thicker orange slice, or stop here and continue on to the next step. And also, this is what the inside looks like after carrying the off-white yarn throughout this project. Round 12, working in the back loop only, single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of round 12, I'm going to switch back to Oatmilk. Round 13, single crochet in the next 5 stitches and decrease, and repeat that 6 times for a total of 36 stitches at the end of the round. At the end of round 13, I'm going to switch back to orange. Round 14, decrease, single crochet in the next 7 stitches, and repeat that 4 times for a total of 32 stitches. Round 15, single crochet in the next 6 stitches and decrease, and repeat that 4 times for a total of 28 stitches. Round 16, decrease, single crochet in the next 5 stitches and repeat that 4 times for a total of 24 stitches. Round 17, single crochet in the next stitch and decrease and repeat that 8 times for a total of 16 stitches. At the end of round 17, switch back to Oatmilk. At this point, start to add stuffing, but just make sure to not overstuff. The fruit should be able to lie flat. Round 18, decrease 8 times for a total of 8 stitches. Cut the orange yarn and use a needle to weave in the ends. Then cut the oatmeal yarn, leaving a long tail, and use it to close the opening. Now for some finishing details. With your needle and oat milk yarn, stitch the citrus segments. Start in the center and pull your yarn to the outer edge. Then insert the needle back into the center. Repeat this until you have your desired number of segments. And here's a pro tip. Inserting the needle through both layers helps to flatten the slice for a more polished finish. And that's it, your citrus slice is complete. I hope you had as much fun making this as I did. Be sure to tag me in your photos. I can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun crochet projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.